Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and why is it so expensive to do a simple thing like wash my face? I know that I have spent way too much on overpriced facial cleansers over the years until I found this Kiss My Face olive oil soap. To be honest, using a bar of soap on my face at first felt like it went completely against everything I ever learned about skincare. I was watching a talk show one time about people who looked several years younger than their actual age. And one of the women on that show mentioned that all she ever uses is olive oil soap. That's when I decided to give this soap a try on my face, and I am so glad that I did. It is incredibly gentle and moisturizing, and I never have any sensitivity or tightness as a result of using it. I think that's because the number one ingredient is olive oil. So what could be more moisturizing and nourishing than that? I have also found this soap to be excellent for cleaning my makeup brushes. It's conditioning and gentle, so it really does not damage the fiber of my makeup brushes, and I really think that it will help my makeup brushes to have a longer life. I have saved so much money on facial cleansers ever since I switched to this Kiss My Face olive oil soap. And that's my point of view.